Hey, good morning. Good morning. We are live. I'm here. Sorry for the delay. Just a slight delay. It's fine. All right, market. Big sell off here right before the open. And now just continuing lower. Very interesting indeed. We had, what were we? We were all the way up at the 820s, 200-point pullback. Wow. Oh, man. All right. I gotta get my bearings here. Overnight session, nothing too crazy. Daily chart. Daily chart is interesting. I mean, that looks pretty bullish here, so I don't know what to expect. I think we go higher today, but I don't know. I want to be pretty unbiased. All right, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Timbo. Good morning. Jim JB. Michael Lawrence Harris. Good to see you. Best Guest Trading. Driving Obsession. Jim O. Christopher. Good morning. Jack Wiley. Tech 111. Jake Dell. Frank Martin. Good morning. Thor. Good morning. I am Bruce Lee. Tanush. Dean Bishop. Kraft Costanza. Good morning, Almighty. Good morning, Grant Thompson Trades. Ace Undercover. Good morning, Cly. Matthew. Sharouz. Touchdown. Good to see everybody. Good to see everyone. Good golf guy, Mike. Ace Undercover. K Trader. Hey, you got the take profit credit from the duck race? Love to hear it. Love to hear it. By the way, we are going to do another 150K take profit trader giveaway today. We have 3 more 150K accounts to give away. Thanks to you guys using the NBT code. I love it. I love doing giveaways. M. Susan, good morning. Todd Timmons. Peter, locked in. Dantaloy Dan, good morning. Citizen Zero. Trade Ranger, Mike, Mike, whatever. Did Alpine ever tell you how to change the chat names? Grant Thompson, no. He was not able to figure it out. And quite honestly, I don't think there is a way to do it. I've looked into it quite a bit. I have researched it to... I mean, I've researched everything I could find, and basically, from what I found is the chat names is something that YouTube is transitioning everyone to, and it just depends. I mean, this is just a rumor, but they, according to maybe some biased sources, they're doing the best YouTube channels. They're switching over the best YouTube channels first. So I don't know what that says about us, but I guess you'll be that. I'll let you guys be the judge of that. Scalpulaire, good morning. David Knight, good morning, David Knight. How we doing? George FX, good morning. All right, I mean, right now it looks like the shorts are going to be in play today, but we are right now testing that overnight low. Let's see if it holds. At overnight low of 620. Let's see if it holds. The best and most attractive as well as the most profitable channels get it first, I heard. Okay, fine. I'll go with that one. Per unnamed source. Love starting my session at this overextended area. I also heard they had to be a stunning person. Yes, unconfirmed, but possibly true. All right, let's see if this holds. Looks like we're going lower. She wants to go lower. There she goes. New lows. Wow. Interesting. Oh, I heard it was the one with the best chat. See, that I can confirm that as well. The best ever chat. I've never seen such a great chat as this. It's the best I've ever seen. And down through the 600s now. Wow. I mean, I guess maybe we do go lower. Was there some kind of news? Hang on. Why am I asking you guys? I got financial juice. I might as well use it. And I'm paying for it. I've got financial juice and I'm paying for the news. So we might as well. Yes. We have news at 8:50. Russia's Volgograd oil refinery has halted operations following a Ukraine drone attack. Oh, I thought they had a peace treaty. Maybe I must have misheard. Krista, good morning, Krista. John is in the building. Good morning, John. The Hoodie Trader, good morning. Ian Connor. Scroll lower, okay. Oh, the Fed's Goolsby. I may be reluctant to continue the rate cutting cycle. Ooh, I see. So there's talks about no more rate cuts. Ah, that makes sense. That makes a lot more sense. I may be reluctant. That was at 840. And 840 is where this sell-off started. So that would make sense. I mean, who's this Goolsby guy? Does this guy even have credentials to be able to speak? Who's that guy? I have never heard of him before. Channels that don't play Ben and Rose get priority. Oh, man. He's from Chicago. Yes, very influential. Okay, I'll take your word for it, John. Broke Hungarian boy, 61 years old. He was part of the Obama's team. Ah, I see. 150K account. Wrote no money, nothing. I'm need. What? I need. Yeah, Grant Thompson. It was one of the Fed boys. He stayed at a Holiday Inn Express. That's better than a hotel red roof inn. Better than a red roof inn. At least I think so. What is going on with my headphones? Hey, by the way, Apex, $40. Oh, sorry. I need to read off a disclaimer first. First, I need to read a disclaimer. David Knight, are you with us? David Knight, I need you to mute the stream, please. This is not for you, David Knight. I need you to mute. Once David Knight is muted, I can read off this this promotion. But I'm sure you guys are all shock and awe. But just got confirmation this morning. Apex is extending their promotion 70% off with $40 $40 lifetime activation fee. Glacier Gains, update on the Top Step accounts. I think you must not have been here Monday. You must not have been here Monday, Glacier Gains, but my Top Step accounts where I got that nice payout, they're gone. Actually makes me a little upset still. I got the payout and then I had 2 really nice green days. The account balances were sitting at $7,500 in each of the 5 accounts. I literally just would have needed, like, my goal was to get to 10,000 and take out 5,000. And on the move down here, I traded those. I didn't trade my Apex or anything. I only traded those Top Step accounts on Thursday and Friday of last week. And I traded gold, and it did not end well. Me and gold have a falling out since then. Me and gold, we're not on speaking terms anymore. So that's what happened. It's unfortunate. I might try to pat. I don't know. I've kind of got a little. I kind of like taking money from Top Step, so I might here in the next month or this. I might try it again. Something in my eye. Why? Hang on. Trying to get my. Some reason something's wrong with my headphones. I don't know what it is, but. All right. Man, are we going to take a short setup here? I'm not really ready for it. Huh. Whoa, what was that? What was that? Was that more news or what was that? Okay. Now I'm ready. Now I'm ready. Wow, down we go. Hang on. I'm still trying to get this. Okay. All right. I think, do I have my ducks in a row here? Okay. I'm ready. I'm ready. Take profit traders not, no, can't trade tomorrow at 7. Oh, yeah. True, John. That is true. So glad I decided to take profit there. Oh, man. Yesterday's rally, they said, was favorable questions on tariffs. I didn't see it that way. Maybe the opposite happens today. It does feel kind of like we're, I don't know, today feels very dumpy. We're not getting any follow through here to the upside. All right, we continuing lower. Crazy volatile market right now. It is very volatile. So be careful. I mean, what time is it? Oh, it is already 9. Okay, I forgot I had a late start. I need to get my head in the game. I need to pay attention. I've had a lot of mental errors lately, I've noticed. Not great. Not a great look. Not a great look. Good morning, micro player. Coach, Captain Crunch, good to see you. Good morning. So was that news, Steen Bishop? 950 we had news? I didn't see that. Wait. Nancy Pelosi just announced retirement. Nancy Pelosi is retiring. Man, look for the market to rip 300-400 points here. I'm just kidding. Wow. One of my few funded accounts, just a few hundred with a quick dump. She's becoming a full-time trader. Jeremy Shaw. That's yeah, okay. See, now that's someone I would pay to have a signal service for. I would pay for that. I think that would be worth it. I assume she still has connections. She's staying through 2027 and then retiring. I mean, I think she should just go retire right now. I think that'd be great for her. I would, I want her to enjoy retirement now. I think be great. All right, market continuing lower here, down through the 550s. Is this going to be a big sell-off day? Like, if we look at the daily chart now, I mean, if this 520 area doesn't hold, like right here, if this 550, 520, I don't know, 540 area doesn't hold, I don't know. I think we could see a bigger move lower down to the 400s possibly. I don't know, man. Can you imagine Pelosi's retiring. She's starting her own prop firm. Oh man, then that would be the day. That would be the day. All that insider trading, she can retire. If we hit 500, I'm adding again, not financial advice. Okay, good luck, Captain Crunch. Good luck. Oh, no ace undercover. Oh, man, I'm so sorry to hear that. All right, market, just continuing lower here. Just nothing, no bounce, nothing. All right, testing that 530 now. Man, it's really just dumping. By the way, guys, did you see Lanto? I mean, for those of you with social media or Twitter, Lanto Trades, I mean, that yesterday had one of the most insane days I've ever witnessed. He had a $600,000 day trading Take Profit Trader Pro Plus accounts. He had a $600,000 profit day trading Pro Plus accounts from Take Profit Trader. Actually insane. Lanto Trades. Here, I'll show you. I mean, talk about what dreams are made of. I mean, that's insane. I think it's that has to be one of the biggest days ever. Look at this. He had 4 accounts with Take Profit Trader Pro Plus, $600,000 total, $125,000 per contract. I did the math. It didn't bankrupt the prop firm. It's a Pro Plus account. It means it's a live account. Basically, Take Profit Trader made $50,000 because they have a 90-10 profit split. Take Profit Trader just took home 50 grand. It's a live account. That's insane. That is how it should be done. Per 125,000 per account. But now listen to this. I did the math. Okay, let's do the math together, right? Okay, so for $125,000 divided by $5 per tick, That's 25,000 ticks. Okay? Divide that by 4 to get it to points, right? That's 6,250 points. He had to be trading 15 minis. So if we divide this by 15, that's 420 points yesterday. And he was in the trade, so 420 points. He had to be long here at the 25 300s, and he held all the way up in. I mean, he could have gotten long somewhere up here, but he basically held through this whole move higher in yesterday's session. I mean, that is actually legendary. I mean, that's got to go down as the best 12 NQ on, yeah. Hey, good morning, Travis. Good morning, Travis. But he had to almost have had 15 minis. It was a Hail Mary trade. I mean, kudos to him. I mean, the thing that he needs, the thing that he needs credit for, I mean, yeah, 15 minis. I mean, that's I wouldn't say a YOLO, but that's going insanely high. Like, that's as big as he can go. But, oh, was he trading gold? I don't think so. Even if he was trading gold, maybe. Did he say? Oh, wow. Look at this. Okay, we got to pay attention in the market here. This market just wants to dump. Look at this market dumping. Wow. Wow, what a absolute ripper. Let's go. He live streams in his private Discord. Oh, yeah. I mean, I'm sure he did. Word on the street is he was trading 1 micro. Hey, good morning, Methodical Man. I mean, here's the thing. So, again, maybe I should just be quiet. Maybe I should just be quiet. But there's one thing that bothers me. Maybe I shouldn't, because maybe I do it too, but how is it possible to have disclaimers? So traders, like live streamers, they have disclaimers. Hey, this is not financial advice. Yet they sell Discords that are literally promoting them to copy their trades. That is literally what they're promoting. Like, how is that not seen as financial advice? I don't get it. Like, isn't that like completely contradictory to financial advice? But maybe I'm missing something. But wow, look at this dump. I mean, this is insane. This is insane. 420s now. I mean, look at this. 400's got to be looking for some kind of bounce, you would think. What a dump. Is Discord a live environment, David Knight? Yeah, it is. But here's the other thing, and I know specifically, I don't want to say names, but okay, maybe some of you guys are in those Discords and taking and copy trading those people. Just be warned. I know this for a fact. Apex has molds in those Discords, and if you are admitting to copy trading people, just be warned. Not a good idea. It is strictly prohibited. So just be very careful. I mean, if you do it is one thing, but then admitting it in chat is a whole different thing. I know, John. I mean, I try to make sure that I never tell people to take my trades, like ever. I mean, I think that's just common sense. But hey, what if we admit to reverse trade me? That's fine. I don't care. Just don't tell me. But yeah, let the dummy self-report. That's literally what they're doing. And then they get all upset when they get denied a payout. When they get denied a payout or they get requested to send video proof of them trading their accounts. That's where things are a little weird. But hey, to each their own, I guess. But I always question, how can Discord services and stuff like that claim to not be financial advice while at the same time literally selling and promoting their Discord based off of copying their trades? Like, I don't see how that's not financial advice, but maybe I'm missing something. I've been accused of not being the sharpest tool in the shed, so you know, I might be missing something. Hey, let's go, Orlando. Nicely done, nicely done. They send in a video of the Discord. That would be hilarious, Dean Bishop. From the direct pass, which company you think is the one that allows you to trade freely as possible regarding technique and style? And Lejo, I would say it's between Tradeify and Lucid. If I had to choose one or the other, I would probably choose Lucid Trading, is in my opinion. 1,000 members at $100 a month. Oh, exactly. He's making over 100,000 a month. I mean, it's true. I mean, I'm not as impressed with the YOLO as I am with the hold. The ability to hold that trade for that long is what is very impressive. Like, that's actually the impressive portion of that trade. Not the fact that he went 15 minis. Yes, that's crazy. But to be actually able to hold it for that long is impressive. I know I couldn't do that. If I have 5 take profit trader accounts and I'm 10 grand in profit, I'm out. I'm gone. There's levels to this game. Maybe he went to Walmart. Maybe he did a Walmart trade. I don't think Lanto's a YOLO trader. I'm not saying he's a YOLO trader. I mean, that's not really what I mean. But obviously, if you're trading 15 minis on a take profit trader account, there's no denying it. You have at most, what, a $5,000 drawdown? If you're trading 15 minis on a $5,000 drawdown, I don't think we have to speculate that that's an insanely risky trade. And but it makes sense. Like the risk makes sense. That part is fine, but that is insane. Take profit trader, automatic close. Yeah, I mean, I'm talking about if I had a Pro Plus account. Like if I had a Pro Plus account, you know, if I'm up 10 grand per account, yeah, I'm out. I'm going golfing. That's it. We're out of here. But hey, maybe one day there are definitely levels to this game. And Lanto is on a different level. I will give him, I mean, hats off, respect. I mean, that's an insane trade. I don't care how you look at it. That's insane. But are they with a huge, okay, Justin Moyer. So how big of a buffer is it? Do you know? Because I was trying to find out, and the only thing I found was that he took money out, and there wasn't, anyway, but I couldn't get confirmation on it. So maybe he has a huge buffer on it. I don't know. but from what I inquired about it and I was told there wasn't, but who am I talking about? Lanto Trades. He had an insane trade yesterday. 600,000 profit yesterday on Take Profit Trader Plus account. So he does have a huge buffer. Man, it sounds like some of you guys might be in that paid Discord group. Just be careful, guys. Be careful. If you're trading Apex accounts, I'm not joking when I say be careful. Because there are snitches. Best guess trading. I mean, yeah, you could do that easily with Apex. Once you're above the buffer, the trailing drawdown stops completely. Wait, so no, best guess trading. No, that's not true. Did I update my expenses? Not yet, Christian L. Not yet. I'm working on the video for the month of October. I am going to do it probably tonight or after stream. And then as soon as that is up, I'm going to update my expenses. But it's north of 70. It's ugly. But I will update that. I do need to update that. Yeah, if you're above the buffer, then it really doesn't matter. But I mean, I would assume he would have a buffer of some sort. What is the pay to be an Apex snitch? Is it better than my P&L? I might consider becoming one. Oh, that's too funny. Going a different route, I see. All right, market. This thing really just gonna keep dumping here. Man. She wild today. She's feeling very frisky today. How long would it take you to reach buffer on such a large Apex account? I mean, about 3 to 4 months is what I'm expecting before I get my first payout on these accounts. That's just where my expectations are at right now. And I'm okay with that. The next 3 to 4 months, my expenses should literally be almost nothing. The only expenses I really am going to have are probably Top Step expenses. Because I might try to pass some more Top Step accounts. I do kind of like the idea of getting some more Top Step, just being more aggressive on those accounts only. And I've been able to get, I'm in the green with Top Step quite a bit, so I'd love to keep doing it. I mean, each their own, but why not rather go with a 50K account on Apex and increase your payout frequency? I mean, it's a fair question, my sticks. Really, I've had more luck with the 150s once you reach the payout. Like once you're there, I love it. Like, but yeah, it does take longer, but I'm okay with that. All right, let's see. Are we making new lows here? This is looking so crazy bearish. And down we go, testing the 400s here. Oh, okay. We need to just need a pullback here for an entry. If NQ hits 339, my account is blown. Oh no, Coach Captain Crunch. Well, we're a long way away, so hopefully you're fine. Keep the costs low and mental capital high. Exactly, Travis. That's my goal. My goal is to cut down on expenses, and I'm okay. See, this is how my mind works. Maybe I'm a little weird this way, but I'm not sure I would be okay taking it slow if I was only trading 5 accounts. If I was only trading 5 accounts, that would mean that if I do reach payout, basically all that work for 3 months is going to be done. All that work for 3 months is going to be for maybe a $15,000 payout. That's where it's like my time invested isn't worth that really. But if spending 3 to 4 months to get a $130,000 payout, that is worth it. That is time well spent. I'm fine with that. That's close to, that's $3,000 or $300,000 a year. I don't know about you guys, but I'm totally fine with making $300,000 a year. I'm going to be able to scratch and claw my way, and I think I'm going to be able to survive. So that's why going slow with bigger accounts is, I don't know, to me, I'm okay with it. Like, I'm at peace with that. But when I only copy trade 5 accounts, then I feel like I need to be more aggressive. And therefore, when you are more aggressive, I don't care which way you look at it. If you're more aggressive, you're going to cycle through more accounts, and those expenses are going to exponentially increase. And I'm just, honestly, if I wasn't tracking my expenses, I would probably just keep going the way I am and try to keep my head in the sand, and I wouldn't even look at my expenses. But you can't deny it. I mean, I did not. If someone would have told me at the beginning of the year that I'm going to have $70,000 in expenses this year, I would have been pretty disappointed. Like, I would have been, and I don't like it. I really don't. Obviously, I mean, I'm still well profitable, but just doesn't feel as good. All right, we did not really make new lows. We kind of just double bottomed here. We didn't even make it to the 400s. I feel like we're going to get a face ripper right here. Might get this thing might rip higher now. This is where we have to be careful. Man, this market is really great. Look at this. That's almost 100-point move higher. Jeez. I mean, we went from the 25 820s to the 420. That's a 400-point move lower. I expect Lanto. I'm going to be disappointed if Lanto didn't catch 400 points right on this move. If Lanto didn't catch another 400 points and make another 600,000 this morning, I'm going to be disappointed. I want a refund from my Discord membership. I'm just kidding. I need a refund. With 20 minis. What's your approach to passing evals? I do it quickly. Like Apex, I prefer to do it on news. Is Lanto an ICT trader? Oh, dear. I think actually he is. I think he is. So I don't know. I did some research and I discovered he's an ICT trader. So My search results on YouTube right now are how to trade ICT. So I'm currently I'm watching 5-hour long videos on how to trade ICT. I should be well informed and fully ready to go by year 2027. So just hang with me. I'm just kidding. I'm not doing that. Uh, all right, we are testing the 21 EMA. Now we have got to be prepared. Man, this is insane. I'm only going to be able to trade literally 2 micros. Jeez. Look at that. That's craziness. All right, maybe we might get a setup here. Let's be careful and let's be patient. Why is my seat? I have a different chair here in Florida, and I'm not sure that I like it. It's got some issues. Hi, bye, face ripper of a day. Uh, I just put buy sell stops before news, Mystics. Yes, I do. Yep. All right, market just continuing here, continuing higher. Who's calling me? I can hear my wonderful wife is outside my door assembling furniture, and I'm feeling a little guilty. But we got work to do, guys. She's assembling furniture without me. Yeah, I mean the shorts are going to be the setups here. So obviously we're not even getting close yet to getting triggered on an entry. So just got to be patient here. This is looking it's looking like a face ripper. It looks like she wants to rip it. Okay. We do have a potential here. Man, this is crazy. Hello? Man, this is a crazy. It is difficult to trade when the market is this volatile. You have to have some crazy stops. If this closes green, yeah, we cancel now. I am paying attention here. I want to see this break down below the 510s here. I guess technically I could still keep this. All right, can we get a follow through? I don't know, man. I'll be right back. Let's go. Holy. What? Oh, let's go. Oh, snap. Yeah, I should have held. Lando would have held. Let's go. Oh, man. I actually wish no, I probably would have taken profit. We all know I would have just taken it, so let's not even speculate. Let's go. That's awesome. Whew. I walked the block. I went outside and I walked. We live like, there's like one house between us and then there's a big cul-de-sac. Like there's just a big cul-de-sac. And I told myself, I'm going to go out and I'm going to walk the cul-de-sac. I didn't watch anything. I just tried to be all calm. And I just walked the cul-de-sac and I came back. Let's go. Whew. Man, that is crazy. I didn't really want to talk about this. I'm sure you guys saw this, but this makes it a little less painful. But I mean, I'm sure you guys saw this setup that I didn't take. Man, I didn't really want to talk about it, but man, that bothered me big time. This setup right here at 948, we had I've noticed I need to make sure that I take my setups. I purchased a home. So we purchased a home here in Florida. All right, let us screenshot this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade. Oh, she's a thing of beauty. You'll love to see it. I love when the market listens. Oh, man. Let's go. I fully expected. I'm not joking. I had fully prepared myself to come in and be at full stop loss. I fully expected it. So that is a great, great feeling when you come in and both targets hit. Both of them. Let's go. Man, that has to be one of the top trades of the year, considering I was copy trading 44 accounts. Copy trading 44 accounts. That's gotta be one of my best trades of the year. Very, very clean. I could have trailed this. Yes, I could have, but hey, hindsight is 2020, and I'm not even worried. I'm not upset. We're not at Lanto's level yet, okay? We're getting there, but we're not at his level yet. Thank you, guys. Thank you. You can live a whole year in South America with that money. Wait, a 24-year-old Dallas Cowboy player died this morning? What? Who? Who? Who was it, Trader? Marshawn Nealand. I see. Wow. Just not like nothing, like what happened, or just no information on that. But man, that's terrible. Thanks again for the TPT account, Rainy Mood. You are welcome. I hope you pass it. That'd be awesome. Thanks for letting me know, Traders Chick. All right, let us. So we entered at the 510s, 440s. Holy cow. That was a 70 point. That was 70 points, but that was only on 2 micros. Trade number 23 of 30, guys. Can you guys believe I'm actually following? I'm more impressed that I'm following all my what I said I was going to do. I'm actually very happy about how we're doing the 30 trade challenge, man, and we're doing it right. And I am loving it. I'm seriously going to do this. I'm just going to trade this way going forward. Just until, I guess it doesn't work, but I'm going to just keep doing it. Why not? And we are continuing to sell off. Man, this is insane. Look at the daily chart now. We're about to retest yesterday overnight low at 280s. Wow, I really did not expect this today, but hey, you know what? I mean, I know I keep saying this, and I don't know. I don't want to keep rehashing this, but having this kind of system is what really, really protects me from myself. Because this morning is a typical kind of day where in the past, I would come into today with a bias. This morning I had a bias. I thought we were going to keep going higher. And I was looking for longs, but my system didn't allow me to take longs because we're below the VWAP. And if I would just be trading like normal or like in the past, I would have probably been looking for a long on every single one of these little moves higher and got my face ripped off every single time. I mean, obviously, I'm going to have losses, obviously, but this is where I will get absolutely triggered and go on a tilt session and keep trying to buy the bottom and DCA, and next thing you know, my accounts are blown. That's what I need protection from. Me being an idiot. I can't survive me being an idiot. All right, market. What a crazy sell-off. But man, we really should have hit. I mean, that actually, I was so upset about this, I didn't even talk about it. But this here was another really good setup I did not take. And I have to stop doing that. Like it's not my job. I got to remind myself that it's not my job to predict what the market will do. My only job is to take my setups. Obviously, there is some discretion, but if the setup is there, I have to take it. and I can't try to predict if it's going to be a good one or not. I just got to take the trade and then manage my risk accordingly and just be okay with the results. And it sounds so easy. It sounds so easy, but it's so hard to do, man. It's so hard to do. John, I've survived me being an idiot for 50 years. Well, I guess technically I've survived me being an idiot for 42 years. So, Tikoa, what you want a tier list? I'll give you a tier list very quickly. If you're looking for, you want to trade however you want to trade, no rules, no rules. Lucid trading, honestly, lucid trading, Tradeify. I mean, my funded futures probably is fine as well. Funding ticks and funded next, those are all pretty similar. Now, some of those have payout caps. If you're looking to like really go crazy with prop firms and make an insane amount of money for the more seasoned trader and more of a veteran trader, then I would recommend Apex. Apex, you do have to follow the rules, but you can get crazy amount of payouts with the multiple accounts and no cap and a 100% profit split up to 25,000 per account. But honestly, there's a lot of decent prop firms. The main thing I would do, just don't go for like prop firms that you've never heard of. Like prop firms you've never heard of or seen, like, then I'd just stay away from those. You don't need to. Like, there's enough prop firms that you don't need to go after some that are just kind of shady or you've never heard of them or they're brand new. They're brand new. Wait for some other people to test them out is my recommendation. But unlocked a 6K payout with the last dump. Let's go, consistent trader. Love to hear it. Let's go. I should just scout with a bracket every time, Captain Crunch. Yeah. Live I read. I go for 10 points, but sometimes it happens fast. Micro scalping keeps me, well, I mean, I feel like, but it's only for 50% of your profits. But yeah, if you have a really micro scalping, then yeah, that, I guess I'm not as aware of that because I don't micro scalp, so I really don't pay attention to those. But yeah, it's true. Man, this market looks like a crazy dump session. All right, market trying to get a pump higher here. Okay, market. I mean, now I need to make a decision. Are we going to take another setup? Are we? Man, that's crazy to think. This was on 2 micros. That's how volatile this market has been. 2 micros. This is crazy. Yeah, I'm kind of feeling the same thing. I should walk away, and I am totally happy with today. Lock it in. It's a beautiful green day. Honestly, feel like I should have had a day like this yesterday. And I feel like I would have had a day like this yesterday if I didn't have some technical issues. And down we go. 310s. Here come the 300s. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Cuban Coffee Trader, going to start a new journey and got the idea from your 30 trades challenge. Going to start with 2 evals and only take 1 trade a day, and only if it meets my full strat parameters. That is awesome, Cuban Coffee Trader. Okay, here's the thing. Like, the thing that kind of made me like be okay with it, or like the fact that I'm committing to doing it. In the beginning, I told myself 30 trades. And I'm like, okay, yes, I know I can do it for 30 trades. And that's the only thing you're committing to. Just do it for 30 trades. And I'm starting to see that by doing it only for 30 trades, it doesn't look like a monumental task. Where if you commit to from now until forever, I'm only going to do XYZ, it doesn't seem as realistic. But if I say, hey, I'm only going to do it for 30 trades, I'm like, yeah, I can do that. I can do this for 30 trades. But then now that I'm in it, it's like, it's starting to open my mind a little bit to where I see the benefits. And I'm like, you know what? I don't even have to now want to do it. I want to keep doing it. I don't have to. I want to keep doing it. It makes it a little bit easier. And I feel like I need to do something like this if I'm copy trading 48.4 accounts. Because I'll be honest, if I was not if I was just trading kind of, I mean, yeah, I was just kind of trading the way I was in the past. Not that I wouldn't have some really good trades, but the way I take profit and the way that I would micromanage my trades way too much. And there is such a thing as micromanaging your trades into oblivion, where it will mess you up. Like, mentally, it will mess you up. Because you're going to cut trades that would have been great trades, and then you're going to let trades go that are bad trades. It just messes with you so much. Versus, hey, put the trade on and let it work. Now, obviously, if we're like 1 to 2 ticks away from hitting a target, and start going against, I'm okay with getting it. And, but still, that's insane. 44 copy trading accounts. It is crazy, David Knight. It is crazy. I feel like the 44 accounts kind of happened kind of fast. Because I struggled. When was it? September 1st. So September 1st, I blew up. I remember that date. September 1st, I blew up, lost all my accounts. And then 2 weeks later, I got 10, was it 10 accounts or 5? I forget, on Apex, and I blew those in 10 days. And then from there, I struggled to pass accounts. And then finally, what was it? I mean, it was like 3 weeks ago where I passed Take Profit Trader. I passed my funded futures and I had lucid accounts. And it just kind of all came together, and all of a sudden, I'm here for I'm trading 44 accounts. It's wild. It's the wild times we live in. Hmm. All right, market. All right. You know what? Hey, Travis, how we doing? Good morning. Yes, let's go. We had a good setup and we hit it. It was awesome. I wasn't here for it though. I left. I went on a walk. My new motto is when I put a trade on, put my stop loss in, my targets, I go for a 10-minute walk. I have a tendency to micromanage my trades, so that's the one way that I can avoid it. You know what I should do, guys? I should be a good husband. I should end stream and go help my wife assemble furniture. I'm 5K on 3 funded, but blue 450 on eval. Hey, let's go, Travis. I might try to pass. I might get some more top step accounts later today. See how this market acts. Yes, Wall Street. Thank you. Good morning, Wall Street. Good to see you. Oh, yes, giveaway. Thank you. Levi Rodriguez. Oh, you just saved the stream. All right, hang on. Wait, give me a minute, guys. Give me a minute. I am so bad at remembering stuff. It's crazy. Okay, we are doing a 150K take profit trader giveaway Let's go. And we're doing 150K take profit trader giveaway account. Now exclamation mark NBT. Exclamation mark NBT. Now, I'm going to have this open for 7-8 minutes. And the last 5 minutes of this, I'm only going to have it open to long-time subs only. So if you're new, you're going to want to enter quickly. Then I'm going to keep it open a little bit longer for the longer time subs, just in case they just missed it. So NBT, exclamation mark NBT to be entered. And these are 150K take profit trader accounts. And if you pass these accounts, you will get an activation fee credit. So you can actually get funded for $0, zero cost to you, and unlimited, no consistency rule. You could make millions. I mean, technically you could. You could go to a Pro Plus account, be like Lanto Trades, and hold for 6,000 points, you know? I'm just joking. You could, though, technically. Is it unlikely? Yeah. Oh, I love when I take one trade and one and done. One trade and we're done. Oh, it's such a good feeling. It feels like less work because copy trading 44 accounts. I'm done. I don't have to look for any more trades today. By the way, guys, I shouldn't say this. I know I shouldn't say this, but I can't help it. This is kind of testing science. I don't want to say this, but I'm going to. Have you guys noticed something very odd? Have you guys noticed something extremely odd? Let's see if someone notices it. I doubt anyone noticed it, but I do. Something extremely rare. It's like seeing a snow leopard. It's that rare. My camera's not focusing. Is it still an issued K trader? Actually, all my accounts are green. Okay, that's kind of a low blow. No, it's the I have held my take profit trader accounts for more than 2 weeks. I have my take profit trader accounts for more than 2 weeks. That is extremely rare. I shouldn't have said it. I should not have said it. I know. I'm pretending like I don't even have take profit trader accounts. It's just the same. But no, seriously, like being able to copy trade these just with everything else is actually what makes this so it actually is so much better. I'm not worried about them. I just copy trade them and be done. Oh, you know what? I need to check something on Quantcard. Oh, I like. Me like it. They're still alive, Neo. Trades by Neo, right? That is extremely rare. What copy trader am I using when I'm using Replicanto? Oh, we need to check something. Which account do I want to do this on? 141. All right, this is only a test. This is only a test. Hang on. Oh, whoops. Hang on. Do you trust Replicanto so much that you can go for a walk? I do, Carry On Trader. I mean, if my entries are right, I'm good. Like if my entries, like if my fill, everything gets, if all my accounts get filled, then I'm fine leaving. I don't really have any concern about that. Now, where I have to really pay attention is when I get, like when you enter and the market is moving quickly, then only part of the accounts or some of the accounts get filled. That's where you have to be careful, because it'll put you in a reverse position when your target gets hit. Why don't I use a portable copier? DNB, I'm not going to switch. I'm not switching a copier if the current one I have is working. The copy trader is too important to be switching without a valid reason. Yes, this is Streamlabs that I use. What is Streamlabs? That's my software that I use to stream. Hey, Daryl Bapty. Good to see you, Daryl. How we doing? Oh, I see. Best guess trading. I'm not sure how to change that, but that's interesting. All right, I'm going to go subscriber only mode, and I'm going to keep the contest going for a little bit longer, just in case someone did not get a chance to enter that has been a sub. Sub mode is activated. All right, I'm going to resume the entries now for maybe 5 minutes. Exclamation mark NBT and then we will do the duck race and get this party started. I'm trying to, I want to see take profit trader. I think we're getting close. Like the 150K accounts that I'm giving away right now, those are from last month. Because you guys are awesome and using my code. That's from last month. This month, we should be able to do more account giveaways here like in a week, I think. Yeah, I wonder. I don't know how I can fix. Man, I really wish YouTube would not do the nicknames like this. I really, really wish. But unfortunately, there's not much I can do. All right, guys, I'm going to close it here in about 2 minutes. Exclamation mark NBT. Most of you are in, I think. Most of you are in. I should do a long-term subscriber only giveaway. His Royal Trades. I will do that. You know what? I will do that. I will do that with some Tradeify accounts. We can do some giveaway on Tradeify accounts. Maybe we'll do that tomorrow, Royal Trades. Remind me, and we'll do like a 9-month subscriber only mode. Like maybe even a 1-year subscriber only mode. And I like that. We might do that. No trading with Jesse video, Michael Patak and Dakotas. I gotta watch that, John. It cracks me up. Or do 2 years? Oh man. If we would do a 2-year sub only mode and do a giveaway, that actually would be pretty crazy. Oh no, you're only 5 months. I'm sorry, Cave. We'll see. We'll see tomorrow how much, how long we'll do it. How do you define a long-term subscriber? I mean, I don't know. It is kind of hard because, I mean, I love all you guys. I love all you guys, but some of you guys that have been with me from the very beginning, it's not anyone's fault, but some of you guys have been here for 2 years and have been loyal followers, and I really, really do appreciate it. So maybe we'll do like a, I don't know, 1.5 or 18 months or something crazy. Is there a way we can check? Man, I think there is. I know at one point we were checking that, but I'm not 100% sure how to do it. Oh, when you change your name or handle? Oh, really? Oh, that's unfortunate, though. That's not really fair if that's the case. That's interesting. All right, guys, I'm going to close the entries. I'm going to close the entries. Okay, let's do this, fellas. Grant Thompson, Tech 2, Evolve, Coach Captain Crunch. You guys are in here. You guys are in here. At least I think so. Let me make sure. Yeah, Captain Crunch. Yeah, you guys are in here. Am I in? Yes. Max 90, I saw you. Okay, let us do this. All right, I'm going to turn off subscriber only mode. Okay, here we go. Duck race. Let's do this. Duck race game. Wow, we are just continuing to sell off here. It's insane. All right, boy, let's go, ladies and gentlemen. May the best man win, or woman. Here we go. And the first name in the duck race is gonna be Bill C. 3405. Bill C. 3405. Good luck, my friend. Next name, DNB Marcelino. DNB Marcelino. Next name. Oh, would you look at this one? Best guess trading is in the duck race. Let's go. Here we go. And the next name is Tony G-Force. Good luck, sir. Next name, Hawk 21. I thought it said Hawk Tua. Hawk 21. All right, next name is gonna be Luca Montour. Luca Montour. Next name is Martin Jupp. Martin Jupp 23. Good luck. Next name is Davy. I'm gonna call you. What are we looking at here, guys? David. Dav. You know what? I'm gonna call you Dave. You're gonna be Dave today. I'm not sure what that name's supposed to be, but I'm calling you Dave. All right, next name. Hey, Levi Rodriguez. Levi Rodriguez, congrats and good luck. Wait, why do am I missing a name? I think I am. I only have 9. Hang on. Bill C, DNB, Joshua Catone. I don't remember saying that name. Joshua Catone is in the race as well. Okay, good luck. Okay, we got to eliminate 5 people. Don't worry, you're still in the duck race. Okay, next name is gonna be Trade Ranger. Trade Ranger. Good luck, sir. Oh, Tate. Tate 3801 is in the race. Yeah, let's go. Next name is gonna be Brian M. Brian M. Good luck to you, sir. Next name, NQES Trader. Good luck. Okay, this is the final name for the duck race. Final name. Good luck, everybody. Oh, who's it gonna be? Hey, and it's Jason Borges. Jason. Good luck, Jason. Okay, we are locked and loaded. All right, let's switch our screens. Here we go. Do this officially. All right, is everybody here? Everybody ready? Let's shuffle the characters just for fairness. This game is run on integrity, and results are always verified with third-party auditing. All right, everybody, are you ready? Here we go. Good luck, everybody. And they are off. Here we go. We've got neck and neck race. We got Bill C. We got Tony G-Force and Jason bringing up the front. We've got Marcelino taking the early lead by a whisker. We're pretty tight race so far. DNB now pulling ahead with Jason. Close behind, and here goes Jason taking the early lead. Here comes Martin and Joshua. Joshua now trying to make a move for first. Again, as we have seen numerous times, it's not how you start, it's how you finish. You gotta reserve that energy. Here comes Brian M. with 1:07 to go. Here's Luca Montour now, has taken the lead up in front by a full length, and he's putting on some speed. Here comes Davey. Here comes Davey. Davey now, with a lot of speed, is taking the early lead. 50 seconds to go. Here comes Martin Jupp. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? 40 seconds to go. Here's Hawk. Luca, Hawk. We have a big congestion. Donald Trump is Tate. Donald Trump here in about third place. Can he pull it out? Jason now trying to make a move for first. Here we go, down to the wire. We've got 20 seconds to go. Jason, oh, and we just had half the field tripped and fell. Here comes Bill C, and here comes Marlino. DNB now takes the lead. 9, 8, 7 seconds. Who's it gonna be? Bill C. Here comes Donald. Here comes Trade Ranger. And there you go. Trade Ranger takes the win. Trade Ranger. Donald Trump was coming, but I don't know. I don't know if he made it. I don't know, man. I'm sorry, Best Guess Trading. I'm not even sure where you ended. Oh, man. Here we go. And the final results verified by third-party auditing. Let's see who it is. There it is. Verified. Man, Best Guess Trading. Oh, that's unfortunate. You just never even had a chance. Here we go. And coming in third place, it is gonna be Bill C. Bill C beat out Donald Trump by maybe an eighth of a length. And here it is in second place. It is NQES Trader. And in first place, as we all saw, Trade Ranger. Congratulations, everybody, and well played. Thanks for participating in the duck race. All right, now I need you all to listen and pay attention very closely. For those of you, first, second, and third place, I'm going to share my email. Okay, here we go. Okay, that's my email. First, second, and third place. I need you to take a screenshot of your YouTube channel that shows your username the way it is. And then I need you to share your email address for Take Profit Trader. If you don't have an account with Take Profit Trader, then you need to create one before I can give you an account. If you don't have an account, click on the link and this will and sign up. Basically make sure you have an account before, and then I need your Take Profit Trader email. So make sure you screenshot your YouTube channel name and also share your email for your Take Profit Trader account. And then I will send you, you will get a credit for a 150K account. When you go to check out, you'll see a credit that you can use that is going to make the account free. So again, thanks everyone for playing. Congratulations to the winners. And we'll be doing another giveaway tomorrow. I think tomorrow, the plan is tomorrow we will do a long time subscriber only mode giveaway. Should be fun. We're probably going to do a year plus subscriber only mode giveaway tomorrow. So stay tuned. Stay tuned for that. Should be good. Yes, trading on tilt. I know we have such long time viewers here, and I really do appreciate it. We have some of the best, most loyal subscribers on all of YouTube, and I appreciate it. I love doing giveaways for the long timers. Some contestants may be stripped for their medals. Wait, watch. Captain Crunch, American Duck Racing Association of America will be reviewing this footage. I got nothing to hide. Nothing to hide. I used to be called YOLO, then FOMO, and then trading on tilt. I love it. You came in fourth, Tate? Oh, man, I'm sorry. That's not rigged, but it's just unfortunate. I submit to the audit. All right, all right. Trade Ranger, NQES Trader, and Bill C 3405. Send me an email, screenshot your YouTube channel name, and include your Take Profit Trader email, and I will get you sorted. All right, guys, I think I'm going to call it. I am going to be a good husband, and I'm going to go help my wife assemble furniture, and I'm going to like it. And then maybe, I don't know what I'll do, but that's the plan, at least for now. Go to 157. Oh, dear. 157.
Be above 700. Just
sorry, you don't need to hear that. Ooh. Ooh, that's oof. This needs to be studied. I will, John. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for sharing. I will. All right, guys, I'm going to call it here. Again, thanks, everyone. Awesome day. I love days like this. I know they all won't all be green, but it sure is fun when it is. And we will be back tomorrow. I hope you guys all had a... Oh, no, Tanush, you had to leave? Oh, no, I'm sorry, Tanush. We did a giveaway. I'm sorry you missed it, but We're going to do a long subscriber only mode giveaway tomorrow. So hopefully you can join. All right, everybody, take care. I appreciate all of you guys. Hit the like button on your way out if you don't mind. And we shall see you guys tomorrow. Take care and God bless.